What's up, travelers? Today we're at the New York Auto Show in Holy Shnikes. It's windy. Let's go inside and see some cool cars. Have you ever seen a car that looks like a door? It's a 2006 Bugatti Veyron, and it's a multi-million-dollar car. My first Bugatti ever. It's a Porsche 911 GT3, and it's really cool. I love the color. I think my sister would really like this car. It's a Packard. Let's go see some exotic cars. Hope we can see some Lambos. What? This way. Porsche is a good place to start. This is what I came for. Lamborghini. I like the Lambo car and all, but the SUV is pretty cool. The moment we've all been waiting for, Koenigsegg. It's the first one I ever seen. You know my favorite car is a Pagani. You don't have to buy me that. I think you should just buy me a Ford. There's only a handful of these ever made. So cool. This is Tracy Morgan's Ferrari. I love him on SNL.
By an all-new 375 horsepower all-wheel drive capability, the estimated driving range is more than 260 miles. Charging is quick and easy.
I love wind doors. Let's see if we can get in there. This is a Maserati Stradale. It's the only one in the United States. This thing's awesome. I want one. I call driving Gran Turismo. Check out how you open the door. The cool thing about auto shows is concept cars. We haven't seen one until now. I present to you the Chrysler Halcyon. Those suits are pretty cool. Yes, they are new cars. Bentley and Rolls Royce. I love both of these cars so much. They're one of my favorites. I love the new Bentley hood ornament. It would be funny if they had Mr. Burns from The Simpsons in one of those Rolls Royces. They're doing live art on this car. Dad, I have an idea. Try to find some experiences to do, even though we just did the Subaru one. That wasn't as cool as the ones that we're going to do now. and cheap. Time to ride some jeeps and go down some crazy hills. It's sick. I'm definitely tall enough. We're almost there. We're next. This is so exciting.
Be right around 25 on our speed. I'm coming up. We're gonna get 40 here, so we're just waiting on our thumbs up. Alright, here we go, friends. 44, we'll pop that on. Just using light brake pressure in second gear today.
How was it?
Awesome. We just did the Camp Jeep experience. It was really fun. So first we went through that like cool wood thing, then we did up a mini drop, and then some banking, like really serious banking. And then we did a little more banking. Turn over to that giant hill. So we found Nissan, Ford, and Chevy in this area. And you know what I mean by Chevy, Corvette, and it's really crowded.
Doing all online? No, doctor.
Say something.
Let's go. Genesis has cool race cars. Wait, doesn't it? It's a hypercar. Let's check out some electric. Race cars, race cars, race cars to chase the race cars. I see something that says sus. Check out the gold wheel. We're gonna try to fit in one more experience. Hyundai was 18 and up, so we're gonna try to do this one. 8 and up and weight top 44 inches. So I'm good. We're about to take a Dodge Charger onto the EV track. Time for my first EV Dodge Charger.
Go back, take the middle, we fill up to it.
I've been on a hydraulic once. This is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun, yo.
Daddy, do you have the leash on?
Right?
Oh my god. This is so fun. I love that first acceleration so much. Oh my god. I loved it. That was the last line and I'm really sad because I want to go again. That's the end of today's video. The Dodge Charger was a good last attraction. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna take this back home. Alright, I'm out of here. Make sure to like and subscribe.